Hey you all, well, back from the shops, absolutely disheartened with the cost of everything and the way inflation's out of control. But I did get myself one treat, which I've got to have in these times. But anyways, please stay tuned and we'll get into what I brought back. So, had terrible trouble with ants. So I've got a container of Antex. That was on special, $5.85, normal price $7. I'm going to fix those little suckers up properly. 4 canisters of gas. That was $10.50, none at Kmart. So I had to pay the higher price, of course, for this. And from Kmart, it's now $4.50 if you can get it. I got some French fries. They've been hard to get lately, but I've been able to get them again now. Supermarket brand, $3.50, and this time last year they were $2. Crazy, crazy, crazy prices. I also got a big packet of pies, nearly 2.5 pounds of these party pies. And they were $5.95 and they used to be $4.50 a year back. Crazy prices, but they're still cheap food compared to a lot of things that you can buy. Eater Original Barbecue Sauce. That was on special, $2.70. It's not a bad barbecue sauce for a cheap one. Milk, $1.60. And this time last year, you were looking at about $1.10. Bacon was on special. Special price $15 per kilo. This one's now generally about 18 or 20. And I remember when the normal price for this one was about $13, and that's only about a year back. So this one in total, $8.16. Bread rolls, $2.50. It used to be $2. I generally make my own bread, but I don't have time today and I'm wanting to make some egg and bacon rolls, so I just bought some this time. Hot sauce, $4. Bullseye Carolina Reaper hot sauce, so that should be interesting. And I should open it and have a bit of a look-see at that, shouldn't I? I've never had that one before. Smells vinegary, smells hot. Just get a little bit on my finger. Oh yes, a fair bite to that. And that should be absolutely lovely with my eggs and bacon. Thick and cream, 600 ml, so a little bit over half a quart. And that was, let me see, $4.85. I remember when it used to be $3.50 a year back. But I'm wanting that to go with my steak to make some pepper sauce, so it should be lovely. Garlic salt, $2.80. Well, always need some of that. Pepper, ground black peppercorns or black peppercorns cracked. And that was $2. Supermarket brand of that one. Lemonade, $1.10. 2 litres, so half a gallon, 2 quarts. So that's the cheapest lemonade I've seen. And only Coles has it here. So that's quite a bonus. And we have cola. It was on special this week. $1.65 for half a gallon of LA Ice no sugar cola. And a year back, the normal price for that was $1.50, I believe, from memory. But anyways, I've just got to have it. Total from Coles Supermarket, $57.16. So I went down to the butcher wanting a steak, wanting a treat, and he didn't have any of the right thickness for me, so he trimmed this one off for me. It's about 1.5 inches thick, so just the way I like them, 1.5 inches or 2 inches thick. A T-bone steak, quite expensive nowadays, $26.99, so $27 per kilo, and net weight 544 grams, so you're looking at about 9 ounces. So a wonderful thick steak, and it cost $17.38. And I'll get up and I'll show you this steak. Oh, isn't it wonderful? So total cost of today's little shop, $74.54. And I remember that I could have got like nearly double the amount a year back. Prices are just crazy. But anyways, we'll sign off for the day. And if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. If you are subscribed, please do consider becoming a member of my channel. And of course, I have a couple of very valued members, and I would love to get more members. And memberships start at $1.99 US per month. And of course I do have some member-only content, member-only videos and the like. Also, please do check out my merchandise store. I do have a store tab here on this channel, as well as links down below. Anyways, take care, God bless, and until next time, bye-bye! Of course, a little treat. I've got to have a treat. Well, we'll just actually, before I talk about my treat. Dear viewer, if you love my channel and wish to support my ability to keep creating content, please consider becoming a member of my channel. As a member, badges will be displayed next to your name in live chats and on comments, and also you shall have access to exclusive content. Thank you so much. Dear viewers and fans of my channel, Arielle-Viking Venturer N Victuals, if you love my channel and wish to support me, please check out my merchandise, as I've recently opened a merchandise store on Teespring. Links are in the cards and the end screen, as well as being included in the description of this video. Thank you! So I'll ask you all, please do watch my videos through to the very end. Please do share my videos amongst all your friends and help my channel to grow. Also, in suggested videos after watching one of my videos, please click on one of my video links so that my video is suggested and helps my channel climb up higher in the search rankings. Thank you so much, and I love you all. For where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Well, let's all get outdoors more and enjoy nature and take care of our environment. May my dream of moving to America come true. May the land of the free remain forever free. God bless America.